Hello, good day guys. Today I show you this washing machine basic error E14. So you see error. Okay. The problem this is the heater sensor here. So okay, the heater sensor. This is the heater. This fan motor the heater. Okay. So I have here one heater, and then I remove the heater sensor. This one heater sensor here, like this. This one inside. This one. Okay. Remove the heater and then change it, and it will become okay. Hello guys, now see it's now working. Okay, yes, you see the old one here is corroded inside. See, it's corroded in the contact inside. This is already damaged. Okay, like this. Cannot see the focus. It's corroded. Yeah, see. The water coming inside this temperature sensor. That's why there is an error before. Okay, now there is no error. Okay, it's ready to work now. Okay, we'll shut down, switch off. Okay, thank you for watching guys.